ड्रोन खत्म। अल्लाह अकबर। ड्रोन खत्म। शाबाश कमाल।
ये ड्रोन खत्म है। ये जो को ड्रोन खत्म।
Is on earth known for its natural beauty and ageless ideals of humanism, communal harmony and peace. I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for historical transformation in this land to build a Jammu Kashmir which harmonizes modernity and spirituality, and today it is moving forward with unwavering passion and resolution. I am sure you will experience and cherish the transformation, and you will also enjoy our hospitality and the incredible sights and sounds of Jammu Kashmir. I would like to call upon the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir to use this international event to showcase our priceless cultural heritage, arts and crafts, and our unique traditions. Let this great running spectacle and runners from other countries. Let me say, Jammu Kashmir is a crown jewel of India with a rich heritage.
That people came, in spite of what we went through, the spirit was unbelievable. And every time I come here, it's not just the beauty of the mountains, but it's the heart of the people that impacts you. And it's a run proving that there's unity in this country, and because it's Kashmir, it proves the point that there's absolute unity. And God bless every runner who's come, not only from our country, but especially we're very, very grateful to the runners who've come from outside of the country, believing in us, believing that we are a secure and a beautiful nation.
The one side of the story, cricket, and other side of the story, you have everything in your home as well. When we talk about your one of the great legends in Indian cricket, but now the things have been totally changed in Kashmir also, because we have.
If you see sport, other sport also, whether it's cycling, whether it's running, winter sports, which is so big, boys are representing the country everywhere, whether it's in the field of acting, whether it's in the field of singing. So God bless, and I wish this continues. More events happen here, and my only request always to everybody is treat this as your very, very, very own and your duty to come here this winter and spend your holidays here.
Finally, वक्त हमारा है,
वक्त हमारा था, है और हमेशा रहे.
Thank you so much.